Bonus reading for August the 16th to August the 17th. Fire signs. Your cards are the Five of Cups, the Ten of Swords, and the Lovers. Parang this is the time we are going to free ourselves from either regrets of the past, which I feel like parang hindi na natin ito, sabihin natin, hindi naman natin maibabalik yung time. Well, sa ngayon, parang sinasabi natin na merong mga bagay na kailangan nating intindihin at siguro i-embrace. I'm going to parang end this cycle of my own version of rock bottom, no? Kung finances ito, yes, meron tayong mga nagawa siguro din na impulsive, no? Hindi natin inaasahan, siguro meron tayo talagang mga decision na nagastos natin ng mga pera natin, whether nagamit natin sa kala natin lalago pero it failed, or talagang nagastos natin ngayon parang pinagsisisihan natin wala pala tong kapararakan, or hindi pala ito kumbaga hindi pala ito asset, no? Kung ito naman ay career, parang sinabi natin dito na hindi yata itong career na ito ang para sa akin. Pero what I am seeing in here is gagawa tayo ng way para humanap ng bagong daan to achieve another career. It could be another opportunities or another company or going to another country. If this is romance, nakakita tayo dito na merong someone who's regretting why they end up things with you. The Five of Cups is clarified with the Hangman and the Two of Cups. Kung ito ay romance nga, parang ngayon nagpaplano itong mag-approach, no? At merong realization na mahal pa rin kita. Kung ito'y finances, parang sinasabi mo dito, natutunan ko na yung dapat ko matutunan at hindi ko nagagawin. Yung mga bagay na hindi ko naman na nagawa ko na. So there's learning. And parang with the Two of Cups, you're going to embrace the new version that you're visioning yourself, no, in the future. Sa career naman, I feel like dun mo malalaman, kaya pala hindi sa akin natutupad. Hindi ko nakukuha yung career na yon dahil I was bound to a different career, which I feel like I'm going to love, no? So this is your bonus reading for August the 16th to August the 17th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.